Hey everybody, today we are going to be drawing Piggie from the books by Mo Willems. We're going to start drawing Piggie by first drawing an oval for his head. So I'm going to start it right up here at the top of my paper and I'm going to draw an oval. Then I'm going to draw two triangles for his ears. So I'm going to put one triangle on this side of his head and one triangle on this side of his head. The next thing I'm going to draw is his snout or his nose. We're going to put a small oval inside of his head. So I'm going to draw a nice small oval like this with two lines in the center. Now that I have his nose, I'm going to go ahead and add his nice big smile underneath it like that. The last part of his face that we're going to add are his eyes, and I like to make ovals for his eyes, but I like to make them going up and down. So I'm going to go ahead and put an oval here for his eye and an oval on this side for his eye. And then we can fill those in. And if you want to, you can also add some eyebrows. So I'll add a little eyebrow right there for him. Now that we have his head and his face, we're going to make his body. So starting on the side of his head over here, I'm going to make a nice big oval going down and then coming back up and attaching to the other side of his head. For his arms and his legs, we're going to be making some straight lines. So I'm going to make a line going straight out from his body like that. Leave a space and then make a second straight line. Now to connect them, we're going to make the letter V in between. So I'm going to make a letter V just like that. If I want the arm to be outside of his body like this, that's how you make it. But if I want the arm to be on top of his body, I'm going to do the same thing, but this time over his stomach. So one line like that, leave a space, and then I'm going to make that V in between like that. And now his arm is overlapping his body. His legs are made the same way. I'm going to leave a little bit more space between those lines just to make his legs a little wider, and then that V in between. His last leg here, just like that. And the last thing that we're going to add to Piggie is we're going to add a tail. So on the side of his body right here, I'm going to add just a little tiny triangle like that for his tail. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. I'll see you next time.